Hi everybody, it's Josh here from JDG Estate Agents. Today's 60-second property investment comes from Gerrard Street in the Marsh area of Lancaster. Now this 3-bedroom mid-terrace you can see just behind me is really well presented. It's got some great period features, great sized bedrooms, and even has the added bonus of a utility area to the rear. There's a great back garden with space to sit, and you've got easy amenities at the bottom of the hill as well, just down here you can see. And on an evening like tonight you can see there is some nice views into the distance as well. So this property is currently on the market for £145,000, and with a rental income of £700 per calendar month, we expect to see annual returns of £8,400 per year, which is a 5.7% gross return on your investment. It's ready for tenants to move straight into, so definitely worth considering. If you are interested, give me a call on 01524 843322 or drop me an email to josh@jdg.co.uk. Thank you, bye bye.